This is a used 2002 Ford Focus. It's powered by front-wheel drive, a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, and a 5-speed manual transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include electric trunk, privacy glass, power steering, and AM/FM stereo. Safety was made a priority with these features: independent suspension, a passenger airbag, front ventilated disc brakes, child safety locks. Be confident in your purchase with an AutoCheck Vehicle History Report, the industry's trusted vehicle history provider. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Chalmers Capital Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at Cerrillos Road, Santa Fe, New Mexico 87507.